Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video, we are going to see how to install Visual Studio Code, shortly called as VS Code, on Ubuntu desktop operating system. So let's get started. So you can actually use this link to download the installer of Visual Studio Code, or you can just go to the Google and say VS Code download. So it will suggest you this link, the first link for downloading the VS Code installer. So you can choose based on the which operating system you want to install. You can choose the installer. So I'm going to install on Ubuntu. So all this Debian and Ubuntu flavor, you download this installer, which is comes with extension of .deb, right? So just click on this. It's going to download the this file. It's already downloaded. So let's go to the download folder. So I'm in home folder. Let's go to download folder, this file, and cut this file. I'm keeping all my softwares in the work area software and then place it here. Okay, so from here you can just open a terminal window, right? So and just say ls. So I'm going to run this command to install that software. So what is the command is sudo dpkg-i followed by give this file name, right? So this is the installer and I'm running it. So it's asking the password, sudo password. So this is the password for my user DataMaking. So it's unpacking the installer and installing the VS Code IDE, which is integrated development environment. Visual Studio is one of the popular IDE in recent days to develop a Python-based application or uh, uh, many React-based application or Angular-based application. There are many variety of application you can build using VS Code. It's one of the popular IDE or editor in the recent days in the IT industry, right? So this has been installed successfully. I'll just go to the show application. I generally call this as grid icon. Click on this grid icon, show application, just type VS Code. So the moment you say VS, so it comes here. Let me add it to the favorite and then move it near to the Python. So click on this. So this is the ID, okay, for okay. So you can change the color theme. So I will go with the light modern. Okay, instead of dark, I'll just use light modern. So it will be like this. Okay, I'll just close this and I'll just close this and reopen it again. Okay, now I'm opening the light mode. Right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a uh, simple Python project and I will tell you how to run this project on VS Code. Okay, let me go to this work area and then go to the projects code. I'm going to put here Python work area. So and I'll just say level Python hello world project, just say hello world project. You can keep whatever folder you want. I'm going to open this folder and this folder is going to act as a project folder, simple Python project folder. Okay, so it is part of my work area folder, which is one of the subfolder in this in the nested level. So in work area I have projects and code, followed by in Python work area I put this folder. So you can you can keep it wherever you want, right? So I'm keeping it here. So just go here and say open folder. So and work area and projects code Python work area, I'll open this. Now this is the just says trust. Yes, I trust this author, and then click this. Now I'm going to create a simple file here called demo.py. So just say message equal to hello Anura daughter name. So I'm just going to use the Python print command to print this message. Okay, so this I'm going to run. So we need to so basically run this Python script, right? So it says, do you want to install the recommended Python extension from the Microsoft for the Python language? You can just say okay, say install. So installing it. If you want to search the extension, you can click on this icon and then search for uh, um, different extension for your application which you are going to build it. So for Python extension, I installed this, so it is already installed. So I'll just keep it, close this, and this is the Explorer. So your project is there, and you have one Python file. This is a search icon. This is source control. You can connect to the GitHub or GitLab and clone your project and the Git project or GitHub repository, and you can manage it. And this is for run and debug, and this is the extension. You can search the extension. So I will just keep looking for another extension like Codium. So we will try to set up this is one of the a code assistants. So we'll install and try to use this, right? So that's how you can use the extension icon, and then this is for testing purpose. All this we'll see in the futures videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to um, go to command palette and choose my Python interpreter. Okay, just type interpreter, Python interpreter, Python select interpreter, and just say enter Python path and find. So it will just go to your home directory and anaconda 3 and bin, and then just come and select the Python 3.11, I guess. Is that py? Yeah, so choose this interpreter and select this. Right now you can go and say run without debugging. So it is going to run my demo.py Python script using the Python interpreter which we chosen. So it is printed the message hello Anura. So this is how you need to install the uh, VS Code on the Ubuntu operating system and create a simple Python script and run on the VS Code. So if you want to know the version, the VS Code version you installed on your Ubuntu desktop operating system, you can go to the help menu and just click on about. So we installed the version 1.83.1. So this is the VS Code version we installed, right? Okay, this is good. So I hope this video is helpful. If you have any question, please put your question or suggestion on this comment section of this video. I'm happy to help you. Thank you so much, friend.